You want to shop less, you want to buy better and build out a wardrobe that feels amazing, especially with all the summer sales here this season. I'm so excited because that is why we love a good mall day. I'm headed into Nordstrom because it is the Nordstrom sale right now. And Zara's annual summer sale is going on as well, so I want to go inside, find the pieces that look amazing and give you the best bang for your buck while saving you a few coins. So for my return followers, thanks for tapping back in. And if you happen to be new here, I am Jordan Blackwell, but you can call me JB. And I love to share realistic style tips to help you build a wardrobe that not just makes you look amazing, but feels good and lasts, with my sustainable materials background, helping you navigate what's worth buying and what is worth leaving on the racks as you're shopping in stores. So a quick rundown of my fit, because I know I'm gonna get asked some questions. The top is old from Zara and it has these cute side cutouts. The pants are Alice and Olivia, because there is a fun Alice and Olivia pop-up going on at the Somerset Mall today, so I'm hoping that we can sneak in there and check it out. Then the heels are from ASOS, as well as these earrings, and y'all know my rings are from so many places, so I will have those linked down below. With that, grab your coffee or whatever little drinky drink and let's go shopping. One of my favorite methods to shopping very quickly is to go in a certain order, so I love starting with accessories because they're the easiest. You can try them on and just decide whether you love them or hate them, and I'm kind of really loving these sunglasses. These are Setlist, and they're like from Quay, which is a brand that I really love for inexpensive but fun sunglasses for the season, especially this fun color. The other one I found is this pair. I know this thing is in the way, but y'all know I love a good structured sunglass, especially for the summer. So easy, so elevated, under $100. Yeah, I will not lie, Nordstrom is one of my favorite places these days to find some good sunglasses to elevate my everyday looks. Thank you. Next up, I like to hit the shoe section because, again, a lot like accessories, it's so easy. And the big Monas, y'all, that you know I love and swear by, currently on sale for $20 off. These are $70 right now. And when I say I have worn my left, right, down, and sideways, so good, y'all. So good. One of my favorite finds of the sale so far. First is this top from Vince. I have it in a size small. It is under $60. I actually think I would get an extra small because I just love how this looks, and I always get asked about my crochet pieces, and this will be great for the summer, for vacation. Yeah, this in an extra small will be super cute because then it could be just a little bit tighter. Oh yeah, very obsessed, especially going into the fall too. Next up, from the Nordstrom collection itself, under $66. Look at this amazing vest with the texture. You're seeing where I'm going. I'm loving layering, especially as you go from summer into winter, but even summer into fall, but even this with like some fun shorts in the summer season. Of course, it looks amazing with these pants. A great piece for work, a great way to add some texture, some interest to your everyday outfits. So that's why I never mind spending a little bit more on pieces like this, because the versatility is top tier. And again, over $20 off. Yeah, I'm just gonna say move a little quick because you know the sale ends on the 4th, and this, just an easy elevated everyday piece to throw on. Something fun for summer from Topshop, who is also having 25% off right now at Nordstrom. I'm wearing a size 6. How cute, like short torso girlies. Tap in, like how fun is this? Ooh, for the rest of summer, for a vacation, under $40, under $40, get into her. Yeah, she's just too cute. This caught my eye when I was putting together my wish list. It is now 25% off. I'm actually in the size 8-10. I really think I could go down a size, but how flattering, how cute. Very effortless, great wedding guest dress, great summer dress, like for a date, just something that you can throw on and look so elevated, giving goddess energy. Like seriously, how good is this? And this is, again, the size up serving body, so imagine my actual size. So good. When I say frame is worth every penny and this is 50% off, it is under $200. And the reason why I can justify that price, first of all, I'm in a size 4. Serving body, there is still plenty of room in this dress. 2, it has pockets. It has pockets. The corset detailing, so flattering. And this is a dress you're gonna be able to wear hear me out, year round, to work, on the weekends, in the summer, in the fall, in the winter, in the spring. Like, ugh, the quality is so good. I mean, just a quick spin, because I don't think y'all understand how obsessed I am with just a good elevated denim dress. I mean, it is giving, look, giving what it needs to give, the perfect throw on and go, effortless but always look good kind of dress. That's why I can justify the price point. That's why I will spend my monies, because she is too good. I always like to keep one eye to the future seasons whenever I am shopping, and I will not lie, these bomber jackets have been calling me for a while, but just trying to find the right fit and the right shade. I really love this. Originally $109, on sale for under $70. And I love this oversized fit. I just think this is gonna be so dramatic when it comes to wearing it with wide leg jeans, obviously with wide leg pants like this. And I've been very obsessed with this kind of khaki-ish green color as we are gonna go from summer into fall. So definitely on my radar if you are looking for fall jackets or starting to shop for the fall season. Hasn't hit just yet. Zara is too quick, because didn't Local European literally just come out with this set? And tell me why they have a very similar one but in my colorway, in this gorgeous taupe color. Obsessed. Now I wish these jeans were on sale because I love a good cross front detail. How cute are these, y'all? So cute. Y'all have hounded me over these boots. They are currently 50% off. Y'all have seen me style these left, right, and sideways. A great find on sale at Zara right now. When I say run, I'm gonna tell y'all to run, because you guys literally get mad every time I share these and they're sold out. This coat is on sale for 50% off, making this $120, y'all. I'm in a medium. I'm sick because a large would do it for me. It can close. I love the sizing. I just would prefer a large. That way I could layer for the fall season. But for $120, this honestly would be a solid purchase for the upcoming season. The burgundy color is always gonna look good. You have the cinch waist. My only beef is these pockets are not real. That's it. But for $120, I feel like I could take the L and not be mad. So definitely would consider picking this up during the Zara sale. First of all, I'm so glad I could take you to the Alice and Olivia event. How cute was that? Part of the reason I wore Alice and Olivia today to go shopping, because I really do love the brand. Like, if we are talking about buying intentionally and buying quality, Allison Olivia to me is one of my favorite brands who does just that. And you don't need a bunch of items. Like, I have these pleated pants and one other item, and they honestly do exactly what they need to do, and the cost per wear has been absolutely worth every penny. The reason I don't do sale videos often is because I don't want to encourage that you need to be buying things just because it's on sale. And I know for myself, there was a trap I used to fall into, like, well, it's on sale, so I'm getting it for less, even when it was pieces that I wasn't even looking for. So I encourage you to be very intentional, even as you're shopping the Nordstrom sale and the Zara sale. I personally already had a wish list in mind that I kept on Karma. Y'all know that is my favorite site to keep track of when items I'm looking for go on sale, especially if there's a certain level of discount I want. I can set it to 25, 50, or even more. So for me, I love using that to make sure that I'm shopping more intentionally and actually buying items on my wish list and not just senselessly shopping. However, I really did love the Nordstrom sale. A lot of things were 33 to 50% off. I really didn't see anything above that. I don't know where you guys stand. Personally, I really wish the anniversary sale was like 20% off site-wide or store-wide and then an additional sale. But I found for these kind of sales, not just the Nordstrom anniversary, but for Zara, to really get a good deal, y'all, like really like 70 plus off, is that you're eyeing up something that is already on sale, and then they usually will discount it even more. So keep that in mind if you're trying to get a really good deal. Also, Nordstrom carries a lot of brands that I love, like Topshop, ASOS, Mango. So that's a great time too to also get those brands on sale and the looks for less, because Topshop also has 25% off their items, and same with ASOS. So this top and this dress, y'all, you know I was eyeing up that yellow dress from the first time I was building out my wish list for the sale, and trying it on, seeing it in person, so good. Chef's kiss. Both items under $60, looking absolutely immaculate. Then looking for some transitional pieces, this top from Vince and the Nordstrom top also looked so good. I will say that Vince is always one of those brands that when I'm looking for elevated staples does so well. Like, when it's on sale, it's such a good deal and the quality is absolutely amazing. Plus, a little textural moment, y'all know, is such an easy way to elevate your looks for less, regardless of what season you're in. So I like those pieces a lot because they're gonna work for summer, but also transition into the fall and winter. And I have recently become a convert to a little bit more expensive denim after trying on Frame's Le Jane crop denim, which is currently on sale during the Nordstrom sale as well. But this dress, look at how good I look in this dress. And it's got pockets. I am also a size down than my normal size in a 4, still spacious, serving body. This is just one of those dresses you're gonna be able to throw on and go and look immaculate every season. Every season. So that for me is always what I'm keeping in mind when I'm thinking about pricing and intentionality. I know it's so easy to be like, girl, $200 is a lot, but thinking about how often I've worn my Vici collection dress, which is under $100, and it looks great for the summer, but honestly for winter, I'm gonna have to layer that dress and it's gonna be a little bit more work. Whereas the frame dress, I can roll up the sleeves in the summer, keep the buttons unbuttoned to let a little more breeze in, look so sexy, and then have the sleeves down. And it's going to be a lot easier to style for the fall and winter season and transition as well. So please keep that in mind. Again, I know sometimes it's easy to look at that price tag and be like, baby, but that's still a couple $100s. But when you're trying to build a wardrobe that's going to make you feel confident, having pieces that work well, that fit to your body, and you have to do zero tailoring, and they can last years as well as work for many occasions, that is always going to be worth more money in my opinion. Whether or not that's a big brand or an independent brand, I just always think about longevity, and that's where I really will pay attention to the price point and what makes sense. So this dress, y'all, hands down, like, I will not lie, I may have to go back for that because it was so good. Another place having a sale right now is Aritzia. So for the girlies who are eyeing up this crochet cowgirl hat, it is currently on sale for under $48. So if you are looking at that, now is the time. It would be so perfect for summer, so fun, and of course for vacation, to protect your face while looking fun and just being a playful accessory for the season. Next up, Zara. I will say trying to shop Zara in person is so chaotic in my opinion, at least at the Somerset location. I don't know where y'all live, maybe it's a little bit more organized. Actually, let me know in the comments. Zara Sale I prefer to shop online, so I didn't really get a chance to try too much in the store, but first and foremost, the croc print boots that y'all hound me over are currently 50% off. So if you've been eyeing those up, now is the time, and then you will thank yourself when fall rolls around, because I don't want y'all to be knocking on my door upset when I told you right now to act fast, okay? I don't want to hear it. Like, if you are not staying tapped into my videos, making sure you're subscribed, turning on the bell notifications, and watching when the videos drop, please do not be in my comments talking about it sold out. Please don't be in my comments talking about it sold out. If you did not keep up with when I told you to go ahead and get your hands on it, I cannot be held responsible if you did not move quick enough. I am going to make sure all the pieces that you might have seen me try on early in the year that are on sale are linked in the description below. So I'm going to pop up just a couple of those that are on sale right now that would be worth snagging. The other thing that I'm really sad they did not have in my size was actually this burgundy coat. So good. It was so good. And for $100 instead of $229, that makes a lot more sense. I'm gonna be so honest. Like, I loved the jacket when I saw it, but I knew it was overpriced then because it's polyester. It's polyester, and those pockets are fake. And those pockets aren't even real. So if you have been eyeing up this jacket and the corset jacket, I'm telling you, come fall season, baby, that over everything is gonna look so good. You're gonna get so many compliments, and it's gonna be something that's going to last you for years. So I'm definitely going on the site this evening, right now actually, after I get done filming, to see if there are any left in my size, because I just know that's gonna look, I mean, over anything, she's gonna be a moment. I'm slowly trying to build up my heels game. You've heard me talk about this probably in a couple videos, and I am trying some pointed-toed heels. These were not the worst thing ever. I was in a 40 in the store and it wasn't terrible, but I just knew a 41 would be better on my toes, because, like, I'm not trying to have bunions, I'm not trying to have corns, I'm trying to have some cute toes just in case I gotta be on OnlyFans. I'm just kidding, y'all. I would not be selling my toes on OnlyFans, and no judgment, just I have other ways that I can make money. But I do want cute toes. So I'm always keeping that in mind when it comes to shoes, y'all. I am not gonna be the one to tell you to sacrifice comfort for fashion and beauty. I'm not the one to tell y'all that. In fact, I can tell when y'all look miserable, and I tell you not to, because you actually don't look as cute as you think you do. You look miserable. So make sure you are being intentional, regardless of if you're paying full price or buying things on sale. So I hope that you found this video helpful. In fact, if you did, don't forget to boop that like button and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss a video, helping you to build out a wardrobe intentionally so you're not wasting your money. You are finding pieces that fit you, feel amazing, and make you feel confident, because you absolutely deserve it. And in fact, if you need even more help with sizing and fit, check out my entire try-on playlist where I share a bunch of other brands, the sizing, and you can see how I'm styling them as well to give you some inspiration to see what's actually worth spending your money and what you should leave in the store. So thank you so much for watching. We'll keep hanging out over there.